Yes, good morning, students. Am I audible? Yes, please check. Am I audible? Yes, good morning, students. Yes, good morning, students. Am I audible? Please check.
Good morning, sir. Yes, sir. Audible.
Yes, audible. PPT is also visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the title of the PPT, ma?
Selection of V-build from manufacturer catalog.
Yeah, thank you, ma. Thank you. Yeah, selection of V belt from manufacturer catalog means you'll go for design V belt from manufacturer catalog. So earlier what we followed that exact procedure, exact mathematical formula to design the V belt based on what the procedure we followed for flat belt drive. Same method we followed for design of V belt drive. Now, in the today's session, we'll go for discuss the selection of V belt from manufacturer catalog. In manufacturer catalog, they will here also we use the formulas. In the formula, there are so many constants are there and so many factors to consider. And those constants, those numbers are the values, numerical numbers will come by the hands-on experience or by the experience of the person. We utilize that experience of the person. They made some values based on their experience. Then they use those values directly. Okay, and here so many factors will consider. That's why called as a manufacturer's catalog. Similar to what we design the component. For example, if you go for drawing the component before going to manufacture, once you made a drawings, then you send the drawings to the workshop. In the workshop, what they do, whatever the design components, the same thing will not they do that because 100% make it that component. They will go for some corrections in the drawings because due to some manufacturer limitations, right? Similarly, here also the design of rebuilds by using the analytical method, exact formulas that will not applicable here. And sorry, the whatever the exact formulas we use before that, instead of using exact formula, we go for some the hands-on experience the formulas. Yeah. So then, what is the design procedure of V belt from manufacturer catalog? Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Now we'll go for a design of V belt from manufacturer catalog. So here some other procedures are there apart from what we discussed, what we the design procedure used for earlier. So what's the first procedure here? We'll go for selection of belt cross section. What is selection of belt cross section here? What type of belt we use here? A V belt drive, right? For V belt drive, what is the cross section of the V belt? As you know, the V belt it is a trapezoidal cross section, right? For trapezoidal cross section, you can see the top width. This is called as represent as a top width of the V belt that we represent as W. Then the height of the V belt or thickness of the V belt that we represent as capital T or sometimes small t also we use. Then I want to select the belt cross section. How do you select? Again, based on some procedure. First, you go for determine equivalent pitch diameter of smaller pulley. So equivalent pitch diameter of smaller pulley. The formula again refer the data handbook from design data handbook equation number 21.35. The equivalent pitch diameter of smaller pulley is equal to the diameter of the smaller pulley. The multiply some correction factor. What is correction factor? Is F is nothing but a smaller diameter factor. How do you know that? By referring the table 21.25. Now the small correction factor, it mainly depends upon what? The speed ratio change. Means speed ratio is nothing but what? The speed of driver to the speed of driven. And then you go for select the smaller diameter factor. Right? First you go for determine equivalent pitch diameter of the smaller pulley. Equivalent pitch diameter means, as you know that one is okay. So just I'll consider only a smaller pulley. In the smaller pulley, the V belt, the what is the pulley we consider here groove pulley, right? If you go for grooved pulley, this is a dotted line shows the inner diameter of the grooved pulley. The thick line shows outer diameter of the grooved pulley. Equivalent pitch diameter means apart the where is contact the belt which is contact the diameter is called as the equivalent pitch diameter, right? Equivalent pitch diameter. That equivalent pitch diameter is the diameter of the smaller pulley into multiply some smaller the diameter factor, correction for smaller diameter factor. How do you get smaller diameter factor? By referring table 21.25. Now we'll go for directly, we'll take that the data handbook. Now we'll go for which data handbook we'll use. Don't go for short copy or earlier what I sent the page 1282 total 1282 pages the data handbook. Now we'll not don't use that data handbook because so whatever today I sent use that copy because the table number will change. We compare that earlier data handbook, the short copy, and today what is in the data handbook. Compare those two. The table number has changed. Equation number is same, but table numbers has changed there. So that's why we go for today what I sent the data handbook, the scan copy, exactly the volume 2, design data handbook by Lingaya, Dr. Lingaya. Okay, volume 2, same copy what I sent here, use that one. Because same, if you use this data handbook, in exam also, whatever they provide whatever the terms, whatever the data handbook we use, same thing you can use there. But if you use a soft copy of 1282 pages, the data handbook, this the table numbers are changes there. So I hope you understood that. Just give me a response.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now we'll go for refer the table 21.25. Where do you get here? The page number 21.49. I think data handbook is visible. So what I'm sharing the data
Yes,
handbook.
sir.
Yeah, now we'll go for 21.49. Page number 21.49. If you go for page number 21.49. So where do you get page number here? 21.49. See that here on the top left corner you can see the page number. In the page number you can see the 21.25, but here 21.25 not there. For printing mistake it is 22.25. This is what we call as a smaller diameter factor, that is what case f suffix b. Now how do you choose the f suffix b? Based on, it depends upon what? It depends upon the speed ratio. The speed ratio is nothing but what? The speed of driver pulley to the speed of driven pulley. Based on the speed ratio range we'll go for select fb values. I hope you understood this one. How do you see the data handbook?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, next. Of once you calculated the smaller diameter factor correction, then you back substitute that equation number 21.35. Substitute the equation number 21.35. Now we'll get the equivalent pitch diameter. Once you get equivalent pitch diameter, then you'll go for select The type of cross section of the belt. The type of cross section of belt, it varies from A, B, C, D, and E. These are the 5 different cross section of the weave belt. The notation is A, B, C, D, and E. Only the width and the thickness of the belt changes here. Okay. The based on the equivalent diameter, select the cross section of the belt, such as A, B, C, and A, B, C, D, and E from the table 21.24. Again, where you get a 21.24, the page number 21.47. Once you select the type of cross section, based on the cross section, again we'll go for determine what will be the width of the weave belt and thickness of the weave belt by referring table number 21.23, where W is what top width and capital T is what thickness. Again, we'll see that in data handbook. Yeah, what is the table number? So once you determine equivalent pitch diameter of the smaller pulley, refer the table 21.24. See the 21.24, page number 21.47. So page number 21.47. Below that, you can see the table number 21.24. That shows the rating for V belt in kilowatt. Right, you can see that here cross section, the cross section A, cross section B, cross section C. Again it is continuing in the next page. It is cross section C, sorry, cross section C, D, and E. Right, now if you can see again, how to select the cross section here. This you know that equivalent pitch diameter is, these are the equivalent pitch diameter: 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 125. So for cross section A, what is the equivalent pitch diameter varies from 80 mm to 125 mm. Similarly, from cross section B, is the equivalent pitch diameter varies from 130 to 180. Similarly, as the cross section increases, the equivalent pitch diameter of the belt rise, the pulley also increases. Right? How do you select? Based on the equivalent pitch diameter, we'll go for select the cross section. Right, based on the equivalent diameter, we'll go for select the cross section of the belt. Right, once you select the cross section of the belt, again how, what is the next one? Once you determine cross section of the belt, that is A, B, C, D, and E, then you go for determine cross section dimension, referring the page number, so table number 21.23. See that in the 21.23, so table 21.23, classification of belt of weave belts. See the from this table, now based on the cross section, if it is A, what will be the top width? W is 13 mm, right? Thickness is 8 mm. Clear? Again, this is the way you have to select the cross section of the belt. Select the belt cross section. Again, see the what is the incorrect of the weave belt, which is wrap over the pulley, glued pulley. This is the correct method is, this one will be the correct method of the weave belt, which is wrap over the glued pulley. Is any doubt regarding the step number 1? In step 1, determine, select the belt cross section, such as the width and the top portion width and thickness of the belt. How to select? By determine the equivalent diameter of the smaller pulley, that is equation number 21.35, right? So where do you get 21.35? See that, yeah, 21.35, the equivalent pitch diameter is 21.35. D suffix E is equal to dp into fb. I hope is visible. Please check and refer 21.25 for a fb for smaller diameter factor. Once you determine equivalent pitch diameter, then based on the equivalent pitch diameter, refer the table 21.24, determine the cross section of the belt. From the cross section of the belt, I can go for determine the width and thickness of the belt by considering table number 21.23. Right? This is the first step. Next, second step is, suppose here note is there. Suppose if D1 is not given, means the diameter of the smaller pulley is not given. If D1 is not given, means the diameter of the smaller pulley is not given. Then how to select the cross section of the belt? Then based on the power, how much power it transmitted belt drive, based on the power, select the cross section of the belt from the table 21.24, and then go for select the diameter of the smaller pulley from the table 21.31, from the table 21.31. See that? So again, from the author of the textbook Design of Mission Element 2, JBK Das, he has mentioned, he has solved so many problems. In that is given based on the power, design power. How to get design power? Design power is equal to total power transmitted, the multiply some correction factor. What is this correction factor is? FA. It is a service factor. Refer the table 21.28 for the service factor, means how long the machineries works. What will be the, it's going to be light duty, medium or heavy duty, and what are the driver and driven. Driver is always, it's a motor, electric motor. Driven depend upon the type of machinery. It may be a blower shaft, compressor shaft, okay, or fan shaft, etc. Based on that service factor, okay, we'll go for choose this FA value. Once you determine FA value, again we'll go for in detail about in the further steps here. Then we'll go for calculate design power. Based on the design power, we'll go for calculate the cross section of the belt. So when do we use this step? When the diameter of the smaller pulley is not given, or we are unable to determine, or the data is insufficient to determine the diameter of the smaller pulley, then you go for use this power ratings. From 0 to 5 kilowatt is power is transmitted, then you go for use A cross section belt. 5 to 15 kilowatt, go for B cross section. Similarly for other belt cross section of the belt, right? After that, then you go for determine, once you know the power, what's the cross section of the belt, then you go for determine what's the diameter of the a smaller pulley by referring the table 21.31, right? Referring table 21.31, see the table 21.31. Yeah, this is about 21.28 correction factor for the industry service FA. How to determine? Based on the service, is the light duty, medium or heavy duty, and type of driven machine and type of driving units, and it may be how much hours the power transmission takes place here. If up to 10 hours, 10 to 16 hours, or more than 16 hours, it may be low torque transmit or high torque transmit. Based on that, we'll go for select the FA values, right? This is service factor. Then I want to determine what is the diameter of smaller pulley. Equation number 20, table number 21.31. The recommended standard pitch diameter. So how to select? Based on that, this is, sorry, page number, what is the table equation? So 1 minute. Table 21.31. Say 21.31. Once you select the cross section of the belt, then you'll go for take here. The 1 stands for first preference, 2 stands for second preference, 3 stands for third preference. For example, if the cross section of the belt is A, in that you go for first preference, where you will get here 1 is the first preference. From the first preference, now what will be the nominal? The pitch, what is the diameter of the pitch diameter of the smaller pulley? It is a 90 mm. This is the way you have to select that the diameter of the smaller pulley. If the problem in the problem, if the diameter of the smaller pulley is not given or insufficient data is there to determine smaller diameter of the pulley, this is the procedure you should follow, right? This is the first step. What we follow the procedure to determine or to select the cross section of the belt. Next, after that, second step, as usual, know this, the linear velocity of the belt. How to determine linear velocity of the belt? So V is equal to linear velocity of belt is equal to circumferential speed of smaller pulley. That is also equal to circumferential speed of larger pulley. Right? That gets in meter per second. Second step over. Third step, power capacity or power rating of single belt that we represent as N star. How to determine power capacity of a single belt? Based on the cross section of the belt. It's A, B, C, D, and E. Based on the cross section of the belt, based on the cross section of this belt, that is A, B, C, D, then you go for calculate N star, the power capacity, a power rating of single belt by using the equation 21.30 to 21.34. 21.30 to 21.34. So again see the data and book 21.30 to 21.34. Yeah, see this? Yeah, the for V belt here. So power transmitted per unit belt or power ratings based on that what a belt cross section A, B, C, D, and E. Based on that, you go for calculate N star value. See that. So N star is equal, for example, for A cross section, N star is equal to, I think it is visible, please check, or otherwise I will go for zoom it. Now it's visible. Let's give me answer. Give me respond to my question. Yes.
Sir,
Yeah, now belt cross section A is the power rating or power transmitted per unit belt. N star is equal to V into, see the 0.45 divided by V to the power of 0.09 minus 19.62 D divided by D equivalent D suffix C 0.765 is 4. Right? So this is the formula we used for a cross-section belt. Again, how do this 0.475, 19.62? This is from hands-on experience or from the experienced person. They give that value based on this experience, right? Design of the belt. Now calculate, take that equation corresponding the belt cross-section, take the corresponding equation, then calculate N star. This is the power rating or power transmitted per unit belt. Once you calculate power transmitted per unit belt, there's a third step over. Now what is the fourth step? Then you go for calculate number of V belts. First step, determine the cross section of the belt. Second step, determine the linear velocity of the belt. Third step, determine the power rating or power transmitted per unit belt. Next fourth step is number of belts. How many belts are required? Again, the number of belts I is equal to N into FA by N star into FC into FD. Now, these are N is nothing but total power transmitted, right? N star is nothing but what? Power transmitted per unit belt, or power transmitted per belt, or power rating. Now, these are what? FA, FC, FD are the correction factors. Again, what is the equation number here? 21.36. Right? So now what is FA? N already we know that from the given data, from the given problem. N star we already determined from the previous step, that is step number 3. What is FA? FA stands for, it is already we know that is used in design formula, design power. FA is what? A service factor. How do you know the service factor? By referring table number 21.28 based on the type of driver and driven machines and based on type of duty, is a light duty, medium or heavy duty, and hours in which the power transmission takes place from the driver to the driven pulley. Suppose if this data is not given, then we'll go for what we'll do. We'll go for assume the medium duty and the power transmission takes place here. How much? 10 to 16 hours duty per day. This value you should assume it, right? Then you get the FA value. After FA value, then what will be, how to calculate FC? FC is what? The correction factor for length. But we don't know the length of the belt here. Then how do you determine correction factor for the length? That is by referring table number 21.27. Then in the table number 21.27, if you calculate correction factor for length, it depends upon what here? It depends upon nominal inside length of the belt. Nominal inside of the belt means, suppose you have a trapezoid V belt, trapezoidal cross section. See that this is the outer surface of the belt, this is the inner surface of the belt, right? Inner surface of the belt. This is what you call as the pitch circle of the belt. Is a pitch point, right? Or pitch line will call as. Now if you take this, the inside inner portion of the belt, if you take this, the length, what is called as a nominal inside length. The pitch along the length of the belt, we consider pitch line, that is a nominal pitch length of the belt. Now here, the correction factor for the length is mainly depends upon what? Nominal inside length. Again, nominal inside length of the belt is unknown. Li is unknown. Again, it also depends upon the belt cross-section symbol. Belt cross-section symbol, already we know that whether it is A, B, C, D or E. Then you go for select the FC. But here unknown is what? Unknown is nominal inside length. Then how do you calculate nominal inside length? Again, we'll go for next here. How do you calculate nominal inside length? The nominal inside length you can calculate. First, we should know the nominal pitch length. How do you know the nominal pitch length? By considering the equation number 21.38. The nominal pitch length depends upon the center distance, the diameters of the smaller and larger pulley. The diameters of smaller and larger pulley. Then you get the nominal pitch length. Suppose in the C value is given in the problem, directly we can consider. Suppose if the C value is not given, then you go for calculate C max and C minimum by considering equation number 21.40 and another one is 21.41. Where capital D, small d stands for diameter of larger and smaller pulley. What is the T stands for? Is the thickness of the belt. Not the tension here, thickness of the belt or height of the V belt. Then once you calculate C max and C minimum, then choose any value between the C minimum to C maximum. Any round of value select, then you substitute to the equation number 21.38, then calculate nominal pitch length. Once you calculate nominal pitch length, then you go for refer page table number 21.28. Select the nearest standard value of pitch length and then nominal inside length by referring table number 21.29. See that in the data handbook, table number 21.29. Table number 21.29. Yeah. See the table number 21.29, nominal inside length, a nominal pitch length, a permissible length, variation of V belts. So already we know the cross section of the belt A, B, C, D. In that we calculated nominal pitch length, that is L, from the equation 21.38. From the equation 21.38. Then you go for based on this, take the round of value. Suppose for example the cross section of the belt is A. In that we go for any the round of value is there. Suppose for example you will get a 940 mm, the nominal pitch length. Then take 950 round of that value. From the 950 mm, okay, when 10 minutes time is left, one session is ended, again please rejoin the session. If 950 mm nominal pitch length you will get, then you go for select nominal inside length is how much? 914 mm. Li is equal to 914 mm. Capital L is equal to how much? 950 mm. Once you determine a nominal inside length of the belt, then what is our aim is to calculate FC, that is the correction factor for length by referring table number 21.27. See that in the 21.27, Nothing but here is a 22.27. Make it correction data and book. Write in pencil. It is a 21.27. Correction factor for belt length. Already we know the cross section of the belt, and also we know the nominal inside length. Earlier we considered nominal inside length is 914, for example. Then in this, what is the FC value? It is 0.87. When solving the problem, you come to know that. Okay. So how to take the values from the table. Then FC over. Then after the FC, what the next one is? FA we calculated. FC also we calculated. Next one is FD. FD is what? It is also one of the correction factor. Correction factor for angle of contact. Correction factor for angle of contact. How do you get? By referring the table 21.26. By referring the table 21.26. In the factor, it depends upon what? This correction factor depends upon the arc of contact of the smaller pulley, that is a theta s. Again, theta s is also unknown, you have to determine. And another one is type of belt. Two types of belt is that the VB belt or V flat belt. VB belt means driver also V groove and driven also V groove pulley. In sometimes driver is V groove, driven is flat. That is also possible. That's the two types is there. First we go for determine the what is the theta s, the arc of contact for smaller pulley. How to calculate arc of contact for smaller pulley? Already we know that for is always the V belt is open belt, right? Either go for effort. The equation number 21.10b. So okay, sorry for the some network issue. Yes, now the PDF is visible. Please check. This PDF is visible. If anyone can give me response. Give me response.
Yes, sir, it's possible.
Yeah, the title is Contact of Smaller Pulley. Am I right? Is it right? Arc of contact and smaller pulley. Please give me response.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, the arc of contact smaller pulley. Either we go for effort. The for
Yes, sir.
we used the equation number 21.10b. But there pi is there. Instead of pi, you take 180 degree. Convert into instead of radian is the degree you take. Or else you go for effort. Theta is equal to 2 into cos inverse of capital D minus small d divided by 2c. Both formulas are same. We'll get same value in the equation number 21.45. Right? Then if the type is not given, then select the VB belt. Then you'll go for, see that in the data handbook how it is for FD correction factor for the arc of contact. This is what is the equation number. The table number is 21.26. See the 21.26. The correction factor for arc of contact F suffix D. It mainly depends upon what? It mainly depends upon arc of contact for smaller pulley. That should be in degree. That should be in degree. Then you go for two types of belt is there. One is two types of pulleys. One is VV good pulley, another one is V flat pulley. Usually you go for VV, means driver is pulley is also V grooved one, driven also V grooved one only. Then how to determine theta s? By using the equation number 21.45 or 21.10. That should be in degree angle. Based on this, we'll go for select FD value. Right? Next, then you'll go for substitute this all the values of Fn, Fa, N star. Right? Substitute all the values, that is N, power total, power transmitted, then N star power rating and all the correction factor into the equation number 21.36, then you'll get the number of V belt that has to use to transmit the power transmission, and round up that will get in rational numbers, make it as integers. All right. This is the fourth step. Step number 1, selection of cross section of the belt. Step number 2, linear velocity of the belt. Step number 3, the power rating, and step number 4, number of V belts. Next one, the remaining 2 steps are there. That is correct center distance between the two shafts. So how do we use this correct center distance between the two shafts? If the C already been given in the problem, but in wave belt, in the center distance we should not adjust there, and also we can't adjust the length of the belt. In flat belt, what happens if the length of the belt is more, means we'll go for cut the belt and we'll go for join the belt with the help of pins and clamps. But V belt, it is the infinite length, means it is the closed one. There is no, if you cut the V belt, means it is a unusable one, or if the length of the V belt is elongated, means again we can't use that one. For that, what will be the correct center distance we required here? Again, refer that equation number 21.39. 21.39. The correct center distance is depends upon the length of the belt, that is the nominal pitch length. Nominal pitch length, the standard nominal pitch length. Then depends upon the diameters of the larger and smaller pulleys. Then you substitute to get the correct center distance. After that, last step is specification of V belt. Suppose if you want to go for purchase the V belt, they'll give they will tell the specification. How do you specify it here? Always specify the letter with the cross section of the belt A, B, C, D. After that, the nominal inside length of the belt. Nominal inside length of the belt. This is the specification of V belt. For example, A 914, A914 is the specification of V belt. What it stands for? The cross section of the belt is A. Once the cross section of belt, we get the what will be the W, the width of the belt and thickness of the belt. And what is the 914 mm is the nominal inside length of the belt. These are the 6 steps you should remember. Okay, now I will send these 6 steps to the group. Please download it. Then you'll go for solve the problem. Yes. So at the same time, and also copy this problem also. So in the same time, I copy this problem. I will send the design procedure of V belt from the manufacturer catalog